Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. May Noor, apne channel Chutkhara Fusions by Noor say. Today my voice is not well, so I wrote complete recipe in text. Hope you understand the whole recipe. Today I share with you a very easy and quick dessert recipe. This recipe is perfect for Eid parties. So let's get started the recipe. Take half liter full fat milk. Bring it to boil first. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. When sugar melt, add 2 tablespoons vanilla custard in bowl. Mix some water and dissolve it. Mix immediately to avoid the lumps. Cook for some minutes till it becomes semi-thick custard. Here I add some food color to enhance its color. Look, its beautiful bright color. Check its consistency. Now it's done, turn off the flame and put in refrigerator for 10 minutes. Here I'm using white bread slices. First remove their edges. You can use these edges make bread crumbs by roasting after grind them. Cut the slices into triangular halves. Like this. We will make sandwiches from these bread slices. Now we are going to prepare its stuffing. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons milk powder. Then add 1 tablespoon granulated sugar. Add some milk to make a thick paste. You can use cow milk as well. Mix it well and make a thick paste. Now apply it on a slice and cover with another slice. To make a sandwich. If you are liking this video, press thumbs up. Make all sandwiches by this procedure. Now we will assemble all sandwiches in a plate. Bring back the custard from fridge and stir it well before using. Pour the custard onto the slices. It's done. Garnish with some dry fruits. You can use any dry fruit which is available. I am using crushed pistachio and almonds. I also use rose petals on it. It's totally optional. Quick and easy dessert is ready. If you like this video, like it and share it. If you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz Allah Negabon.